Welcome to Timeless Beauty, where age is never a limitation, only an elevation. In this video, we're diving into simple yet powerful makeup tips tailored especially for women over 60. From hydrating skincare prep to choosing the right foundation and flattering eye makeup, these techniques are all about enhancing your natural beauty. No heavy layers, no gimmicks, just glow. Whether you're a makeup lover or just getting started, these age-defying tips will help you feel confident, radiant, and completely you. Beauty doesn't fade, it evolves, and today we're celebrating every bit of it. 10 makeup tips for women over 60. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Start with a rich, hydrating moisturizer and eye cream. Mature skin craves moisture, and a plump base helps makeup apply more smoothly and look more youthful. Use a lightweight, dewy foundation, skip heavy, matte formulas. Instead, choose a light, radiant foundation or BB cream that evens tone without settling into fine lines. Apply primer to blur and smooth. A good primer helps minimize the appearance of pores and fine lines while helping your makeup stay fresh all day. Go easy on powder. Powder can settle into wrinkles. If you must use it, lightly dust only on areas that get oily, like the T-zone, and choose finely milled translucent formulas. Focus on cream products. Cream blushes, bronzers, and highlighters melt into the skin beautifully and give a more youthful, glowing look than powders. Define the brows thinner. Sparse brows are common with age. Use a brow pencil or powder to softly fill them in and frame your face. Don't skip this step. Soften eye makeup. Avoid heavy black liners or dark shadows. Opt for brown or gray eyeliners and soft, matte eyeshadows in warm tones that brighten the eyes. Lift the eyes with mascara. Use an eyelash curler and a volumizing mascara to open up the eyes. Waterproof formulas are great for preventing smudging on watery eyes. Choose a lush, moisturizing lip color. Matte lips can look dry. Go for hydrating lipsticks in rosy, mauve, or berry tones. A touch of gloss in the center of the lips adds a plumping effect. Set with a hydrating mist. Finish your makeup with a dewy setting spray or hydrating mist to bring life and glow back to your skin.
With every move she makes, the world gets blessed. She's a woman, a warrior, heaven's duet. Power in her voice, strength in her step. She walks like freedom, talks like light, a melody of courage that echoes through